we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 8,846 miles on the odometer. You have very dark window tint on here on the front windshield and the sides. If you see any flickering in here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. You can hear the whistling of that intake. Shift super smooth, alignment solid, no vibrations in the wheel. I mean, this is basically a brand new truck. Crazy when you're trying to watch the video flickering like that in the camera. Just barely getting on it. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at the wheels. If you get close on some of those, you're going to see some of the paint chipping. Looks like they were painted red and some of it's kind of flaking off. Rest of that wheel looks good. Got the Falcons, 35s. Got a ton of tread left. This looks amazing. Love the pattern on here. Looks really good. Then you do have some PPF right here on that very edge, and 1/3 of the hood, the grille surround, and this little trim piece right there, but nothing on that flare. So kind of 1/3 of all of that. Looking at this fender, looks amazing. Lights look good. All of that's nice and clean. Here on the side mirror, got that satin finish up top, gloss on the bottom. Got that satin finish there, looks really good. Super aggressive looking truck. You have film on that door edge and in the door cups. Looks good. Steps look amazing. You have film on that lower section protecting it. The rest of this bed, that looks good. You do have a chip right there, and then a chip right there. You got super dark window tint, and you also have it on the front windshield here. And looking at that front end, that thing is wicked. Looks really good. That looks perfect. Love the lights up there. Those lights look good. Like I said, film on that edge protecting it. Really not much to pick apart so far. It looks really, really good. This flare looks like it's kind of popping out. It has some gashes. It looks like they had to cut it to get that bumper to fit. And so it's kind of flexing there a little bit. That looks good. Wheel looks amazing. You have some gashes right there on that piece. Looks like they had to cut it as well. You have one rock impact there. A-pillar looks nice. Rest of the doors look good. Once again, you're gonna have little chips, little paint peeling on the red. Looks like they did that after the fact. Got the bed-lined bed cover here, Diamondback. These look awesome. Those taillights look good. They killed it on this truck on the design. Looks awesome. You do have a deep gash right there. It does catch my nail. Went through the paint. Everything else looks awesome though. And then you can see they cut this so it fits. The alignment is a lot better on this side than the other. You can also see they cut the bumper here. And so you are going to have those little flaws where they clipped it a little bit. All right, check out the interior on this thing. I was very surprised when I opened the door and just saw all the detail in here. They killed it on this. Looks really, really good. Upper section looks amazing. Buttons are nice and clean. Got the memory seating, little storage. All of that looks good. All of this is clean. That bolster's perfect. And check out the pattern. Go up high. Same pattern that you see here is on the flares and all those little plastic pieces. Looks good. Really, really nice. Still have that matte finish to it. Got the red stripe. That looks super cool. All of that is really, really nice. There's your buttons, digital screen, massive screen here. Heated cool seats, all the goodies. Really, really nice. Pretty much a brand new truck. All right, here on this panel, upper section looks good. That's nice and clean. Got a little storage cubby there and right here. The bottom looks nice. All that trim is clean. Do have a scratch on the plastic right here. That bolster looks good. Love the seats. That side of the console's clean. You do have scratches here on the underside of the glove box. A little bit there. That looks good. That looks awesome. I love the raised lettering. Upper side looks good. Once again, you can see, looks like they peeled off the sticker that was there, but you still have the residual left over. All right, here on the back right door panel, all of that looks good. Got the all-weather mats. These seats look really nice. The seat backs look good. Here on the back left door panel, that looks good. All that trim is nice and clean. I don't see any flaws on the seats. All looks really good. All right, checking out the engine bay. Looks really nice. Underside of the hood, that looks good.